Hi everyone, welcome to Lennox Bennett channel. Today we're looking at an industrial paper. Let's go, let's go. Hit the like button as you join, guys. You know that it's gonna be awesome. Alright, so basically this is the instruction, 60 items. This will be part one, so you guys will definitely have to come back for part two. Alright, let's go, let's go. And again, guys, you are encouraged to try the question before you get the solution. The purpose of these videos is basically to see how well you can, without before the answer. So again, get a pen or a paper and just try the questions as we go along. All right, and see how many you get correct. You can leave it in the comment section. So let's go. I'm going to try to go as slow as possible. When I say if the hazard cannot be eliminated, students should A. Avoid the hazard, B. Ignore the hazard, C. Guard or mark off the hazard, D. Share the information with other students. And that would be C. So you can leave the comment section, leave the comment in the comment section. For example, you can say 1C if you think it's C. Let's move on to number 2. Hit the like button as I come on, guys. Hit the like button. Industrial technology. The most common injury causing absence from work is it A. Burns, B. Back injury, C. Broken bones, or D. Cuts and bruises? And it's definitely back injury. I'm glad Mr. Bennett know of that, as I could be doing so many videos. Alright, let's move on to number 3. Workers practice good housekeeping in the place to A. Prevent accidents, B. Improve productivity, C. Prevent equipment failure, or D. Organize tools and equipment. And that is A. Prevent accidents. Let's move on to number 4. Hit the like button if you're just joining industrial technology. Personal protective equipment, PPE, must be maintained by A. Worker, B. Employer, C. Safety officer, or D. Work supervisor. And that is the responsibility of all workers. Let's go, let's go. So that would be A. Let's see where number 5 is. Yeah. Which of the following types of fire extinguisher material is used on oil fires? Is it A. Foam, B. Water, C. Dry powder, or D. Carbon dioxide? That's the answer for that, guys. And that is dry powder. So that would be C. Alright, let's move on to number 6. If you like button, if you're just joining, welcome. Share this with a teacher, share this with a friend. Which of the following represents the size relationship of the parts of a whole? Which of the following represent the size relationship of the parts of a whole? Is it A. Line, B. Scale, C. Shape, or D. Proportion? And that is B. Proportion. So that's D. Let's move on to number 7. Colors are said to be contrasting if they are A. Dark in value, B. Light in value, C. Bright and intense, D. Different in lightness and darkness. Type in that, guys. What is the answer for that? Remember, if you think it's D, write 7D. If you think it's A, write 7A. Alright, let's go again. Number 8. Which of the following factors determine the appropriateness of design? A. 8S6 functionality, economic environment. B. Functionality, convention, communication, environment. C. Environment, manufacture, evaluation, and economic. D. Communication, evaluation, functionality, solution. What's the answer for that, guys? Aesthetic, functionality, economic, environment. So that number 8 is A. Let's move on to number 9. So far, so good, guys. Hit the like button. Let's move on to number 9. Why disappear, sir? In which stage of the design process is detailed costing of a product best need. A, generating ideas. B, developing a chosen solution. C, researching on specification. D, planning and realizing the chosen solution. And that is developing a chosen solution. So number 9 is B. Let's move on to number 10. So far, so good, guys. Let's go. Hit the like button right away. Detailed orthographic drawings are best used to show A, early stage of product development, B, 3D views of a finished product, C, the dimension of a finished product for manufacturing, or D, how mechanical components fit together to make a product. Type in the answer fast, guys. Type in the answer fast. People don't like how I move fast sometimes, but so it go. So that would be C. I'm pushing you guys so you can do your exam in a timely manner. Alright? Which stage of the design process is likely to involve in mathematical modules? A, identifying the problems and the brief brief. B, researching and specification. C, develop the chosen solution. Or D, planning and realizing chosen solution. And that would be developing the chosen solution. So that's 11 would be C. Let's move on to number 12. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Check out my other videos on other subjects. Maths, chemistry, bio, physics, social studies, information technology, geography, food and nutrition, technical drawing. You guys know it already. It is important to annotate freehand sketch to A, explain the thinking behind the visual images, B, show the proposed solution in 3D, C, enable them to be used in production drawing, D, enable numerical manipulation. And that would be A, explaining the thinking behind the visual images. All right, let's move on to number 30. Oh, I forgot. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button right away for just joining. Number 13. At which stage in the design process would orthographic drawing be most relevant? A, is it generating ideas? B, developing the chosen solution? Or is it C, planning and realizing the chosen solution? Or D, testing and evaluating the chosen solution? And that would be developing the chosen solution. Quite a number of that for the answer. Let's go for 14. The role of the quantity surveyor is to A, prepare the working drawings, B, set up a building on a site, C, preparing a bill quantities, D, manage the finances of a construction project. Which is it, guys? Let's go. And if you said prepare a bill of quantities, you are correct. So 14 would be C. Let's move on to number 7. Oh, 15. I move too fast, guys. I move too fast. Which of the following members of the building team carries the greatest level of responsibility on a construction site? A, is it the trade foreman? B, the project manager? Is it C, the contractor? Or D, the civil engineer? And that would be the project manager. So guys, ensure that you know all of these before exam. Share, send it to a friend. Don't be selfish. Alright, let's go. And hit the like button, guys. If you're not subscribed, you need to do so now. I shouldn't have to tell people that. Number 16, a technical worker in construction and manufacturing industry is paid more than a skilled or semi-skilled worker because they have A, a better position, B, highly academic qualifications, or C, higher levels of knowledge and skill, or D, greater production output. And that would be C, higher levels of knowledge and skill. So guys, get that knowledge, get that skill. Not everyone's going to be a doctor, all right? So what you have to do, pick up yourself from Mr. Bennett. Once you have ambition, trust me, I'm rooting for you, I'm rooting for you. A top-down structure is an organizational chart which shows A, hierarchical relationship between workers, B, horizontal relationship between workers, or C, hierarchical and horizontal relationship between categories of workers, or D, hierarchical and horizontal relationship between each worker. What do you say for 17? Hierarchical and horizontal relationship between categories of workers. So 17 is C. Let's move on to number 18. Hit the like button, guys. Look out for more videos, alright? Geography coming up, social studies coming up, history coming up, information technology coming up, everything, alright? This channel is going to be so awesome. Number 18, the role of civil and structural engineering is to produce building for A, a domestic use only, B, the banking sector, C, industrial use, and D, public use. The role of a civil and structural, and that is public use, so that would be D. Let's move on to number 19. Which of the following are standards used in the building construction? ANSI, DSI, IPO standard, or the cubic Cariforum, ISO standard, building regulation, ABNSI, and that would be A. Now read out all of them, alright? So it's A. Let's move on to number 20. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Which of the following names is given to a group of computers in an organization that are not connected to each other? A, the internet, B, an intranet, or C, an extranet, or a subnet. And that is an intranet. Let's move on to number 21. In the area of computer communications, smartphones and tablets are connected to computer network via A, is it by fiber optic cables, B, dial-up network connections, GPRS technologies, or D, Wi-Fi technologies. Which is that? And that is Wi-Fi. Everyone should know that, alright? Everybody seems to have these. Which of the following is not a form of pictorial drawing? Orthographic, isometric, oblique, or cavalier? And that is orthographic. Let's move on to number 23. Hit the like button, guys. Which of the following are used for developing and presenting project work? PowerPoint, AutoCAD, Prezi, or Excel? Is it one only, one and two only, two and three only, or all four? Type in that in the comment section, guys. I'm gonna wait. Let's go. Which of the following are used in developing and presenting project work? And that would be PowerPoint and AutoCAD. I want to learn how to do the AutoCAD again. So that would be B for 23. In the area of information and communication technologies, the term multimedia is used to define as the combined use of A, animations in computer application only, B, sound and video in communication applications only, C, sound, pictures, videos, and animation in computer applications, D, sound, pictures, video, animation, and text, or something else missing, and text in computer applications. Which is it, guys? Which is it? Let's go. Type in that in the comment section. How many you got so far? That would be D, sound, pictures, animation, text in computer applications. It's a lot. Guys, embrace the technology, embrace it. All right, let's move on to 25. Which of the following is the correct sequence in the design of products or services? Let's small up this a bit. A, preliminary design, screening, concept generation, evaluation and improvement, prototyping, and then the final design. B, concept generation, screening, preliminary design, photocopying, and final design. So you're supposed to put them in the correct order. Preliminary design, screening, concept generation, prototyping, or final design. Or is it the concept generation, screening, preliminary design, evaluation, improvement, prototyping, and then the final design. Which is it? Let's go. Look at them carefully. Which order should it be, guys? Let's go. Let's go. If you had said concept generation, screening, preliminary design, evaluation and improvement, prototyping, and the final design, you are correct. So for 25, it would be D. All right, let's move on to 26. A part made by a moving point is a line, shape, space, texture. And that is a line. All right. Hit the like button, guys. Remember, you're gonna have to ensure that you're subscribed so you can get part 2. Or I don't know how you're gonna get it. All right. Turn on your notifications so when I go live with my free classes, you'll be able to be a part of that. Which of the following are three-dimensional forms? Cylinders, cubes, sphere, cone, circles, squares, rectangles, triangles. C. Cylinders, triangles, cubes, cones. B. Circles, cylinders, cube, cones. And that would be cylinder, cubes, sphere, and cone. So 27 is A. So guys, can't get away from the maths. Embrace the maths. Alright, let's go. Artists create visual weight with A. Balance, emphasis, B. Pattern, or D. Rhythm. Which is it for 28, guys? Let's go, let's go. And that will be pattern. Alright, so this is our last two for today, but you guys know that you're subscribed, you will get the rest. Make sure you turn on your notification. And remember, there are other earlier videos you can go to. Alright, so let's move on to 29. Which of the following factors most influence the success of an innovation? A. Timing, aesthetic, ergonomics. B. Marketing, product demand, and timing. C. Available technologies, economy, durability. Or D. Product demand, available technology, and aesthetic. And that would be marketing, product demand, and timing. So 29 is B. And we have come to the last one for this video. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end. I will see you guys in part 2. When is a design solution most appropriate? I'm going to leave this one. I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to start the second video with the answer to this one. If you wish, you can leave it in the comment section. So as it says, when a design solution most appropriate? A, when it is recyclable. B, when it meets the budget. C, when it is multifunctional. D, when it meets the needs of the client. So we're gonna start the next video with the solution to this. I'll see you guys then. This is Alex Minutes. I'm out without. See you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.